Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to you all on EPSEX online sport program. As you know, the name of your textbook is Stepping Stone. Page number which we are going to discuss today are page 29 to 30. Your chapter is plants, and today's topic is types of plants. Resources required, either it can be laptop, computer, or your cell phones. Summary of the lesson is plants can be classified as big plants or small plants. Another way is plants can be classified into flowering plants and non-flowering plants. Before starting the lesson, let's have a thought of the day. Develop a passion for learning. Okay? What you have to develop? Passion for what? For learning. If you do, you will never cease to grow. Now, what are the objective for today's lesson are students will be able to identify different types of plants, and the success criteria for doing this work which is given at the end of this tutorial is you have to write the day and date on the top of your page, use scale to draw lines, and you have to work very neatly. Now look at the picture and just observe, are all the plants look same? Are they similar in their sizes, in their shapes? No, they are different. Plants are of different shapes and sizes. Some are big and others are small. So on the basis of their shapes and sizes, we can classify the plants into two main groups. Plants can be classified into big plants and into small plants. Big plants are called trees, small plants are called shrubs and herbs. Now, what are the big plants? Can you see the picture of a plant? First, you can see the roots which are in the ground. Then you can, when you move above, you can see the trunk. So what is a trunk? Trunk is a main stem which is very woody, hard and strong. Now can you see branches, leaf, fruit and flowers? All of them are on the trunk. So the trunk bears branches, leaf, fruit and flowers. So what is the detail of big plants? Big trees are big and strong. They have a thick and hard main stem. It is called the trunk. As you have seen in the picture, the trunk bears branches. All is clear to you all? Now, the other are called small plants. Can you see the small plants? What are they big as the trees are? No, they are small, and you can see they are going to touch the ground level. Okay, and they are not having as strong woody stem like the trees. Shrubs are small plants. They do not have a trunk. They have thin but strong and woody stems with branches near the ground. And you can, as you can see in the picture, their branches are going to touch the ground level. Now, the other small plants are called herbs. Herbs are short and have a weak and thin stem. I think in your daily life you have all of you have seen the spinach. Your mama is using at your home. Mint. You have seen the coriander, parsley. All these are the things which you are using in your homes, and you have seen that they have a very thin and a short stem. Now, another way to classify the plants are into flowering plants and non-flowering plants. Now, what are the flowering and non-flowering plants? Can you see in the picture? Plants with the flowers, having the flowers. So, the plants which are having the flowers are called flowering plants. Flowering plants are those plants which produce flowers and seeds. So in the next picture you can see there are no flowers. So the plants which are not having the flowers. So it is clear by the name non-flowering plants. Non-flowering plants are those which do not produce flowers and seeds. When they are not having the seeds, so how they will grow? You know how they grow? They produce spores instead of seeds. So now this is all Have a quick recap what we have learned today. Plants are of different shapes and sizes. Some are big, others are small. Trees are big and strong. Shrubs and herbs are small plants. Flowering plants produce flowers and seeds. Non-flowering plants do not produce flowers and seeds. I hope all the lesson is clear to you all. Now, this is your home assignment. You are going to label the parts of a tree. The names are also given with them: roots, branches, trunk, and leaves. When you are going to draw the tree, you have to color it very neatly, and then when you are going to label it, you have to use the scale to draw the lines. Thank you and have a nice day. Love your youngers and respect your elders.